I bought Biahezas' newest course on dropshipping so you wouldn't have to. In this video, we're going to review Biahezas' newest dropshipping course that was recently updated. What better way to review his course than by putting it to the ultimate test and actually starting our very own Shopify store based on his teachings. Let's see if this $294 that I spent on the course was actually worth it. So let's get started. The course is broken up into 7 main sections. Everything from finding a winning product to setting up a store step by step, advertising, TikTok ads, fulfilling orders, and much more. First off, I really appreciate that there was no fluff in the videos and basically all the videos were packed straight with value and useful tips. So now let's put Biahezas' course to the test and try starting our very own Shopify dropshipping store just off the information in his course's videos. Biaheza recommends selling products in the beauty, fitness, or in the pets industry, and that's exactly what I plan to do. I decided to sell products in the pet space because I figured it would be a lot easier to capture people's attention when it came to TikTok ad videos that we're going to advertise later on. To find the actual product I was going to sell, I used some of Biahezas' recommendations when looking into what had popular views on TikTok, what already had large volumes of sales on AliExpress, and I also looked at paid websites to find sources. But of course, you know I had to use the trial period for those websites so I didn't have to pay for them. I actually ended up going with this pet brush right here, and it seems very simple to advertise and show the customers the benefits of this product. Also, it had great margins and was selling a lot already. One useful tip, after finding a product you're considering selling and setting up a store, I would recommend to do a quick search on Amazon. It was somehow selling for cheaper on Amazon than AliExpress, and I was going to completely scratch the product, but I figured only a small fraction of the people would see the video ad and then do a quick search on Amazon to compare the prices. Plus, since I already could buy it on Amazon, I could have it shipped to the customer with my Prime account in 2 to 3 days versus the 7 to 16 days that I mentioned at checkout on my Shopify store. So now with our product picked out, it was time to build our landing page on Shopify to start selling our product. Overall, I thought the Shopify store that we created turned out pretty well. We even made a logo in a few minutes to make the website look a little bit more professional. I thought Biaheza did a great job with walking me through step by step on how to set up an account, what you need, how it should be formatted, and a lot of the smaller items such as the shipping guidelines, return policy, terms and condition, and that I honestly did not include in my last 2 Shopify stores that I created in the past. During me creating the Shopify store, I had bands off ads create the videos that I was going to use on TikTok to advertise my product direct to the potential customers. I used bands off ads in the past and had a very positive experience. They just take videos from online and then edit them to flow very nicely. The 3 different videos costed me $49.50. And here's the 3 videos that were produced.
Reasons to love this self-cleaning pet brush. It captures loose fur while giving pets a nice soothing massage. All that fur comes out with the press of a button. The best part, it's safe and gentle even for sensitive pets. Click shop now.
At this point, I had my Shopify storefront set up and I had the 3 videos that I was going to use to advertise my product. The next step was creating a TikTok account. I made a couple pretty simple TikTok videos about the brush and the benefits and uploaded it to an account so it wouldn't look like a completely brand new account. In order to actually get the link in the bio for your TikTok, you need at least 1,000 followers. So I ended up just buying them off some random website and it actually worked. Now I was all set to start paying for advertising through TikTok. So I made a TikTok business account and started creating campaigns. We just got our very first order on the Shopify store and I am hyped. If we go to the screen right here, we can see that we spent a little bit less than $6 in advertising, but this does show that it is profitable and that it's working. So we're just gonna continue to let it go and see how much we can get in sales. Initially, I had one video with a small daily budget at about $20 to $30 and then just duplicated the videos to different target audiences to see which one had the best conversion rate. For the ads, I would wait a couple days to see the results and then make a couple of tweaks and keep on testing it. I ended up having multiple campaigns going for the 3 videos we received from bands off ads. After receiving the stats of what ads were converting better than others, I would turn off the ads that had too costly of a conversion rate and updated the starting budget from $20 and $30 all the way up to $100. And the sales really took off from there. Instead of getting a couple sales a day, we're getting hundreds of dollars worth of sales. We even broke $1,000 in sales, and then $2,000 in sales. In the end, we actually ended up selling $2,313 in sales of brushes. With literally over thousands of dollars in sales, it seems like everything was working out great. It also seems like we were making a lot of profit, right? Well, let's go into the numbers together to see if that was actually the case. Like I mentioned, in total, we had over $2,313 worth of sales, but you cannot forget about the expenses. So as far as the one-time expenses, such as buying the domain name, the TikTok 3 video ads, the TikTok views and followers, we ended up costing a one-time fee of $81.74. We also have monthly fees that you have to account for, such as the Shopify store and hourly reviews that we use on our website to show the reviews of the product, which actually costed us an additional $38.90. Shopify and PayPal also have their fees for helping you accept the customer's payments. In total, it ended up costing us $25 from Shopify fees and an additional $39.68 from PayPal. And the cost of the goods to purchase the actual products from Amazon was just shy of $900. So if you add everything all up with the monthly expenses, the one-time fees, and the cost of the brushes, we have a grand total of $1,083.80. If we subtract the expenses from our revenue, we must have killed it, right? Making over $1,200 in profit. Well, you can't forget about our biggest expense, which is paying TikTok to advertise for us. In total, of all the ads and campaigns, we ended up spending over $1,902 on the ads, which gave us not a profit, but actually a loss of $672. Ugh.
I'm definitely a numbers person, so here's the breakdown of our Shopify store. We received our first sale on October 1st and received a total of $100 on that day. Our very last day was October 16th and we received over $400 in sales. You can see our total sessions and the total number of returning customers. The conversion rate for the store was really high at just below 5%, with an average is about 3% for the market. There was a total of 107 orders placed for the brushes. If you look at the traffic source, basically all of it came from social and was on mobile, which is no surprise because all of it was paid direct advertising through TikTok.
So in the end, we were not able to create a profitable dropshipping store. Does that mean I think Biahezas course was an absolute waste and everyone should just stay away from it? Absolutely not. I thought I learned a lot from the course, especially great tips and resources that I didn't know. And that's even after I previously started 2 Shopify stores on myself and watched endless videos on YouTube about dropshipping. I'm still super glad that I personally purchased Biahezas course, and I view it more as a learning experience and well worth the investment. I think my cost to acquire a customer was too high once I saw the TikTok ads starting to come in. I think if I were to keep with it, I can create videos that have a decent organic reach on TikTok, or I could just keep tweaking and adjusting the TikTok ads to make them more efficient and still create a profitable store. And that's exactly what I plan to do. Make sure to subscribe to see any of my future updates with this Shopify store. Also, you do not want to miss out on my future video where I paid 3 different people on Fiverr to create profitable Shopify stores. I'll see you guys in the next one, and this is Kevin, your financial tutor, signing off. Peace.